Wait, here.
Ooh.
Oh, and he was so blind. Ah, no! He had me scream! Fuck you!
Child. Anyway, so.
I don't know what I just did.
The music kind of big.
Oh, hey, girl!
What do you mean? What do you mean by that, girl? No, what do you mean by that, girl?
Loser!
Oh!
Please, please, is there a boon anywhere?
I think he's nice. I think he's nice.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, he's nice.
No, he's not! Bow, 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 bow.
I did that wrong. Such. Use your power.
Stop it! Not I. Not ever. Oh fuck. I slither through the crowd. I am a snake. I am born here a snake, not I. Not ever.
Not ever.
The music got.
I'm lost! I'm so lost!
Oh, he's like over there.
Oh, okay, thank the Lord.
So play Mario Game 3.
Run!
Surprise, motherfucker!
I'm gonna try not to get great skill types. No! Hey, let me heal you. Where are you going?
Why are you running?
You're running away from the bone! Let me heal you. Let me heal you.
No! God!
Oh my god, let me heal you.
No! No!
I think DD lost.
The fuck do you mean? Out of my way, bitch! You are not about to die again.
Are you not gonna let that person heal you?
Oh, she's...
Oh shit, you're right.